Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel, Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility. In this video, we will be learning about how to create or schedule a Zoom meeting by using Zoom desktop client. I'm using Windows 11 with JAWS 2023 and the latest version of Zoom. I have already made about how to use Zoom previously. You may check our playlist from our channel. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos, and if you want to connect us, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the video description. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask into the comment section. Let's start today's video. Let me launch the Zoom program.
Windows Zoom 22 of 20 enter.
So I'm launching the Zoom
Cloud
program.
Meetings, splitting sounds tip for Windows up arrow escape.
So I'm pressing tab,
Zoom, back and channel plus left button.
tab.
Forward and history, search, home tab, Zoom, home tab selected.
So I'm in Home tab. To create a new meeting or schedule a new meeting, you need to go to the Meetings tab. To switch between tab, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab or Ctrl plus Tab. I'm pressing Ctrl plus Tab.
Team chat tab selected.
Or you can use the right arrow key also.
Meetings tab selected.
So this is the Meetings tab. I have pressed 2 times right arrow after Home tab. So I have reached the Meetings tab. Now I'm pressing tab here.
Zoom rattle basak status available free account button drop down.
This is the profile details. Now I'm pressing tab again.
Refresh button.
Again.
Upcoming meetings tab selected.
So this is the upcoming meetings tab. If you have any upcoming meetings which is scheduled by you, so you can easily check from the list. If I press tab,
schedule meeting button.
This is the schedule meeting. Schedule meeting just says schedule meeting, but it's the option to schedule meeting. I'll tell you.
Meeting list box.
So this list box will tell you all the meetings which you have scheduled or all the meetings which you are going to be conducted. Okay, and by default there is one
my
like
personal meeting
my
ID
personal meeting ID.
770.
So with this you can easily start anytime any meeting. So if I press tab,
add a calendar service.
So add a calendar service.
Search meetings tab. Add my personal meeting.
So if I press enter on my personal meeting, then let's see.
Enter my personal
I'm pressing
meeting
tab.
ID. Personal meeting ID 700.
Tab.
Start meeting button.
So this is the start meeting button. If you click or if you hit enter on it, immediate a meeting will be started. Then you can easily copy the link. You can easily share the link, and anyone can join with this link. But for this video, I'm going to share with you how you can schedule a meeting for future. Remember, the options in the meeting window or in the meeting controls are same whatever meeting you have you are hosted. For example, if you're hosted schedule meeting or if you're hosted just meeting from your personal meeting ID, so the interface is same. Okay, so let's start with scheduling a meeting. So let me press tab, shift tab.
Add my person schedule meeting button.
I'm pressing enter here.
Enter context menu schedule meeting.
There are 2 to 3 options. So first is schedule meeting, which is scheduled in your default calendar, in a Zoom calendar. So if I press down arrow,
schedule from Outlook.
Schedule or schedule from Outlook. If you have the Outlook integration app, Zoom app, and if you have Outlook, Microsoft Outlook in your desktop, you can easily schedule a meeting through your Outlook calendar. I'm not going to show this in this video.
Schedule from Google Calendar.
So it's similar to Outlook calendar, but it's in your Google Calendar.
Schedule meeting.
Sure. So this is a schedule meeting. So by default, you can just choose the first option and pressing enter.
Enter. Loading. Schedule meeting loading. Leaving menus. Schedule meeting. Schedule meeting. Schedule meeting. Save button.
Save button. So I'm pressing shift
Cancel
tab.
button. Save. Topic edit. Rattle.
Topic
Zoom
edit.
meeting. Topic edit. Rattle.
So here you need to type a topic. So for example, I'm just typing demo. Now if I press tab, let's see.
Demo. Start date edit combo collapsed read only 10/30/2022.
it says start date. This is a read-only mode, but you can't change. But if you press tab once again,
Start time edit combo collapsed. 8:30 p.m.
start time. So here you can choose the time, start time. Okay. So if you're using free version of Zoom, you can do meetings up to 30 minutes for free. So I'm pressing tab.
End time edit combo
End
collapsed.
time.
9 p.m.
So if it is by default, it's choose. I mean, by default, Zoom will automatically calculate 30 minutes. Okay, so you don't need to do anything.
End date edit combo collapsed. Read only.
End date.
10/30/2022.
So you don't need to choose this because it's by default. You can't change.
Time zone India button menu.
Time zone India. Okay, so if you want to change time zone, you can change.
Recurring meeting checkbox not checked.
So what is recurring meeting? If you check this box check, then you don't need to set any time, any date. You have just one link with other credentials, and you can do meetings at any time with the same link. For example, if you have a class or sessions, if you want to do 4 sessions, 10 sessions, if you have classes or your class duration is 1 month, you can just create one link, one meeting link, and you can share with your team members or students. You can easily connect with the same link for every day or whatever you want. So I'm pressing tab again.
Generate automatically radio button checked.
So this is the meeting ID. Meeting ID you can generate automatically, or you can use your personal PMI. I mean personal meeting ID. So if you press down arrow, then your personal meeting ID will be selected. I am not showing you. I am pressing tab.
Passcode edit 4ZN2RY.
Passcode. So if you want to use passcode, just give any passcode here.
Learn more button
Then
collapsed.
learn more.
Waiting room only users admitted by the host can join the meeting checkbox not checked.
So this is very simple. So I'm not going to I'm not going to give you the detail how to if you want, then I will tell you how to admit any users from the waiting room, and I will make another video. For example, now next I'm just going to press tab.
Off radio button checked.
Off
radio button. Waiting room on. Off radio button
does it
checked.
mean by
Group
off?
end. Off radio button checked. On radio off radio button.
Okay.
Off radio computer audio radio button
Computer
checked.
audio radio button. Computer audio means, so when anyone join, or when you join with your computer
Google
audio.
Calendar radio button
Google
checked.
Calendar.
Advanced options. Button.
So advanced options. So let's see what are the options that in advanced options. If I press enter here,
Enter expanded.
then I'm pressing tab.
Allow participants to join anytime 5 minutes before start time checkbox not checked.
Okay, so before 5 minutes, your participants can be joined. If you check this box checked, then I'm pressing tab again.
Mute participants upon entry checkbox not checked.
So this means your participants will be automatically muted when they join your meeting. If you check this box checked, then I'm pressing tab again.
Automatically record meeting on the local computer checkbox not checked.
Okay, so this is automatically record meeting on your local computer. So if you want to record, you can check this box and Zoom will automatically start recording.
Approve or block entry for users from specific countries/regions checkbox not checked.
So this is some advanced security. If you want to use, you can use.
Cancel button.
Cancel button.
Save button.
Save button. If you click on save button, then the meeting will be saved and you'll find the meeting in your meeting list, upcoming meeting lists. Just press enter on the meeting name, then press tab. You will find the start meeting button, you will find the edit button, you will find the invitation button or invite button or share button, something like this. So this is how you can create or you can schedule a meeting, and in future videos I will show you about how to record any meetings and then how you can find the recordings from your computers. So this is for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you soon. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Thank you. This is Ratul signing off.